I'm Kennedy Gosrani Shah. I take care of Organico Beverages Private Limited. Basically, we're a company that gives you or helps you handle the operation side of your business when you want to launch a new product into the market. You have an idea, you have a thought, come to us. We will give a physical, we'll give a physical structure to the idea, basically. What we do is we develop products for you, a wide range of innovative premium beverages, and we help you set up the entire process, as well as we pack carbonated and non-carbonated beverages in PET bottles at our plant. Delhi exhibition was very interesting. I came here with no expectations, honestly, because it is the first time CMPL is exhibiting in Delhi. But we were surprised and stupefied because it was like Abu did not have space yesterday. It was that busy. So it was really, really, really good.
That is a sign
And
of great success.
exactly. It was a good problem to have, let me put it that way. I want to meet and I hope to meet, and I have been meeting as well, visitors who have these really creative ideas and also know what they want, okay? Because a lot of times confusion doesn't lead to a great product. Knowing what you want leads to a great product, but are open to ideas, are open to practicality, and are willing to work as a partnership and grow together. Actually, a lot of vitamin water, hydration drinks, prebiotic sodas, they're seeing a lot of demand because, like you said, India, I mean, like you are seeing, sorry, India is moving towards being more health conscious, and a lot of climate change, a lot of heat and a lot of cold, like here in Delhi. So hydration drinks are becoming and vitamin waters are becoming quite popular. Also, our lifestyle doesn't really help. A lot of people have different kind of vitamin deficiencies, and this is easy. Yeah, just open a bottle, sip it, and you're good to go. I would like to see more collaborative. How do I put it? More collaborative. I wouldn't say mini events, but more where there are more customer interactions, where maybe we could directly address with a whole, apart from these one-on-one meetings, but even address to a larger audience, where we could share the new launches and ideas and new trends that are coming up in the upcoming 2 years, yeah, few years. They basically expose our capabilities to customers. They act as a center point where a lot of people from all across India and abroad who have no idea about who we are able to see us, are able to experience and understand our thoughts and processes on a one-to-one basis. And let's just say we may not work with the customer now, but it puts in a seed of thought into their head and they always come back to us later. I mean, the only word that's coming to my mind is collaborative, because it's leading to a lot of collaborations, because contract manufacturing at the end of the day is about partnership and collaboration, and long-term success of any brand is dependent on that.